Hi, what's going on, everybody? So, hope you had a wonderful Halloween day. And I'm recording this video to help you just give you a little bit of instruction about how to use our code, to generate the data, and how to download the code from GitHub. Because I found many of you may have encountered this problem, like when you use my link and you're trying to copy that into your browser, but it's not the right way to do. So the link I provide is the Git link, which will help you to download the code directly from your terminal. So what I'm going to do is just show you like step by step how would you execute the code, how do you download the code and then execute the code. And so I would just recommend you download the Git. So what the Git is, so if you go to just open the browser and Google search Git. Okay, so it will tell you how to install the Git. So after you download and install it into your laptop, then you can just right click in any directory and click on this Git bash here. So that will open your Git. So that's for the Windows operating system if you have a Mac. So pretty much you don't need the Git, and I'm pretty sure you can just use your terminal. So you can search and terminal, and then that will open a very similar window for you. But because I'm recording this tutorial on Windows system, um, so I I probably will assume you will download the Git from the website. Okay, so next, what we need to do is, let me just reopen this. So open new, go to my GitHub. So in my GitHub, I have two repositories for you. So one is called hashbound, which is for the cases. So if you are doing the cases part, you can just get into this repository and click here and click this copy button. Okay. And then you get back to your terminal or the command window, whatever you want to see. Right? Just type the command like git clone, and then you right click your mouse that will paste the link to this. Okay, then you click enter. So now you are downloading all the files from the repository. So because we also store some other outcome into the repository, so it's pretty large. You have 1,000 files. But anyway, so after you download it, you will have your hash file folder here. You open it, you will see there are four Python scripts, but the only one that executable is the main Python script. I should open it. But anyway, so what you need to do next, you can right click here and open a new bash window. So now your working directory will be automatically get into this folder. Also, you can in your previous bash window, you can just type patch cd hatch. Okay, so cd hash file. So now you're in the same working directory as this one. So this. So next, what you want to do is to run the code. So basically, you can type Python space main.py and hit enter. Now the code is running. So because I wrote the code in such a way, you will view like when the code just comes across this case. So if you encounter any problem, you can just trace back to this list and you will see like which case you actually have the problem, so we can fix it. But I think I already run this code a couple of times and it didn't encounter any problem. So, but just let me know if you ever found one. Okay, so it looks good. Now we down to the Z. I think this is the last file we have in the data. So let's see. Okay, I think the program is just it's just convert like merging all the files into master files. So let's take okay. So now it's done. So let's check. So go to the data folder. For each folder, I will have the dip master file. Okay, so it looks good. And if you don't have a dip instrument, here you have 0 and nothing in the rest of the column. And if you do have one, you have an indicator for one and some information about this instrument. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so it's very organized, structured. Yeah, just do me a favor, double check like if you find anything that looks weird or not well formatted. Please let me know. I think I can easily fix this. Yeah. So the code will work the same way for the rest of the folder. So if you go to the post partition folder, you have the post partition master file on the top. So by the way, if you rank your files by the date modified, you need to run it. You can rank it in descending order or ascending order. So if you rank it in this right way, I think it's like descending order. So you will see the post partition master file at the top. So just in case you don't find it, just try another way to rank it. Okay, so the same thing for the other folder. Okay, so that's all about the hatch or the cases. So next I'm gonna show you how to use the creditor code. So what I'm gonna do is just open the Github and navigate to my home page, and I can use the creditor repository, copy the code. Oh wait, we need the git phone, and then right click your mouse. Paste it. Okay, good. And now we have this. Oh yeah, that's actually a mistake because remember now my working directory is what? Hash fund, right? So it's not the desktop. So would you probably not see like a new folder being downloaded. But if you go into the hash fund folder, you might see so here is my creditor. So I will just cut it and paste into the desktop. Okay, so now you can run this. So let's get into the creditor folder. Okay. So now you're in the creditor folder, and you can list all the subfolder and files in this folder. So the blue word that's indicate this is a folder, this is another directory, a subdirectory in the creditor directory. And you can see that there is only one Python script, so you can just run this one, just Python main, okay, and run it. Okay, good. Yeah, so this is just a warning, but it's not an arrow, so whenever you encounter it, just ignore it. It just say that there's something changed in Python 3, so maybe you want to modify some languages, like to add another keyword in your function. But it won't hurt the program. And let's just check, like, what is our outcome? Okay, so this looks very nice. Let's make sure. And let's go to the holding master file, because I remember last time we did see some like empty brackets. We don't want that. So yeah, and it looks good. No empty brackets anymore. Transaction. Okay, it looks good. So I believe like as long as we use this to code, um, it should be fine, like to handle all the data we collected. So, but whenever you just found a new arrow, please just let me know, and I can just look into it. I think it can be fixed very easily. Okay, so if you have any question, just shoot me an email, and also hope you have a wonderful week. Bye bye.